Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT, chapter 6 Triangle. Example number 4. Previous lecture I have explained the theorem SSS, AAA and SAS similarity. Here you will see the examples based on it. Example number 4. In the figure it is given PQ and RS parallel. You want to prove POQ similar to triangle SOR. So here you will see, first of all given, then to prove. In the given only figure you will write down, draw the figures. In triangle POQ and SOR, because these two lines are parallel, so angle AP is equal to angle S. This angle, alternate interior angles, because this is parallel and this is a transversal. Angle Q is also equal to angle R because of alternate interior angle. QR is transversal. These two angles POQ and ROS is vertically opposite angles. So by triple E, but it is not needed. 2A is sufficient to draw proof it. So you can, here first question I have told you, others I have done. All the three angles are equal, so it is a similar. By triple A, no need, because congruency is not triple A. So here if you mention similarity or congruency, no, it is no matter, because only similarity triple A. So you can prove by double A also. Triangle POQ you have written. What a triangle you write here? P is S, so S, and Q is R, so SRO. RSOR. POQ then SOR. It is hence proved. Example number 5. There is a figure given. You find angle P. Figure all are seeing. You find angle P. So first of all you draw the figure. Nothing, no hint is given. So first of all this solution you will see 3.8. ABC and PQR are. You see that if it is similar then you can get. 3.8 is related with 7.6. 6 is related with 12. Root 3 related with root 3. Take the ratio of AB by QR. You are getting 1 by 2. Then you take the BC upon PQ. You are getting again 1 by 2. Then you get AC upon RP. You are also getting the 1 by 2. So all the three ratios are equal. It means you are getting triple S similarity. Similarity word you mention because congruency is also there. Triangle ABC similar to which triangle? According to name you see, AB 3.8, 7.6, 3.8 comes to 6, 7.6 comes to 12. Then what will be the name? That which is very important. It is not the PQR. You will write RQP. From this side to this, then go this side. So this will be RQP. This will be triangle RQP. And then first 2 upon first 2, second 2 upon second 2, first last you are getting all. Now corresponding parts of similar triangles are also equal or ratio. So P, you want P is equal to C. By CPST, what is the meaning of CPST? Corresponding part of similar triangle. And CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Similar triangle you are getting C. So calculate the C. C is not given. By ASPT, you are calculating the C is coming 40 degree. ASPT, angle sum property of triangle. You are getting by ASPT. CPST is this. So now you will get ASPT, not this. ASPT, angle sum property of the triangle, you are getting C, and C is equal to P. That's why P is also 40 degree. Example number 3. We will see in the book NCERT. Example number 6. Example number 6 is given again. There is a one figure and here product is given OA into OB. OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. It is given. So how will you solve it? OA into OB is equal to OC into AD. You write given. Then you write to prove. To prove this angle is equal to this angle C. Not parallel, not given. And this is equal to this you want to prove. So first of all you write what triangle? Triangle AOD and COD. या BOC. Any name you write here, in, and. Now angle AOD is equal to BOD. First part you are getting one angle because of vertically opposite angle. It is given. This given you transpose right to left and left side to right, and you get OA upon OC, and OB will give that side. OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB. OB will go down. So this gives you sides. The angle formation by these two sides, OA and OD, which have the same ratio, so it gives you SAS similarity. Two sides which is forming the angle have the same proportional, then it is similar. So what are you getting? SAS similarity. By SAS similarity, both the triangle AOD not similar to BOC, because OA upon OC, so you will get AOD similar to COB, and then by this part, first alphabet equal to first, CPST, corresponding part of the similar triangle, second alphabet by second, angle D equal to angle B, corresponding part of similar triangle, hence proved. Example 7 is given a question. A girl of height 90 cm moving away from a lamp post with a speed of 1.2 km per second. 3.6 meter is the height of lamppost, and slight rays coming and falling on the head of it and forming the shadow. Shadow is D. So find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. BD is not given. So first of all you draw the figure. Write what is given. Your question: AB is a lamppost, CD is the girl. Girl is moving from this side to this side. When reaches at this place, she stops. Girl height is given centimeter, convert into the meter. Speed is given 1.2 meter per second, means time is stored on distance covered is BC, which is speed into time 4.8 meter. Shadow is this. This is the shadow form on the ground, X. So shadow is X, then what is the B? In a right triangle, this full right triangle, you are getting 4.8 plus X is the BC. Now you are getting the AB, B and CD. So both the triangle you take similar like this. By double A similarity, you are getting both are similar. BC, angle B equal to angle C 90 degree. Everything I stand on the ground makes 90 degree. Angle E is common in both, so angle AB similar to DC by double A. No need to triple A because of ASPT. When it is similar, ABE similar to DC, then corresponding sides are proportional. CPST. AB first 2 by first 2, AB by DC, B by C. No need of AE. Put the value of AB, which is given 3.6. It is given 4.8 plus X, it is given X, and it is 0.9. Putting all the values, simplifying, decimal reduce, 9 4 ja 4X is equal to this, then X will be 1.6 meter, which is the length of shadow. You are getting the length of shadow. Example number 8, given in the figure. Figure again there is a two figure given. ABC and PQR. ABC is similar to PQR, it is given in the question. CM and RN are the median. Median means line joining vertex to midpoint of opposite side. You want to prove two proofs. Triangle AMC similar to this and CM upon RN, and then third proof is also this. So we will see separately. First of all, you see in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is given? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both are similar and these two are medians. You write in short form. First proof, second proof, third proof. First proof, in triangle AMC, this one and this, I have drawn separately AMC and PNR. Because big triangles are similar, then these two angles will be equal. Why? Given ABC similar to PQR, so by CPST these angles are equal or not? Now, by the same condition, the ratio of the sides AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. by CPST of this. Now AB is twice of AM because M is the midpoint of this side, CM is median. So 2M upon 2PN is equal to AC by PR, you can write. 2 cancel, you can get AM upon PN is equal to AC by PR. What are you getting? One ratio of the sides which making these two angle. It means by SAS similarity AMC similar to PNR. Triangle AMC similar to PNR. It is the proof. By SAS similarity you are getting triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. First proof is over. Second proof is given. You want to prove CM upon RN is equal to AB by PQ. By the first proof, triangle AMC similar to PNR. So AM upon CM upon NR, CM upon RN. For last two and last I am taking. AC upon PR by CPST. But AC upon PR is equal to AB by PQ, which is already given. Triangles are similar by CPST. So by first and second this will be replaced by this. You get your second proof, AB by PQ. CM upon RN is equal to AB by PQ. Now you see the question number 3. Third part. CMB and RNQ you want, the other part. This you can prove by like a previous first one, or you use the this also. Two options are there. You can prove like first SAS, R by triple S. CM upon RN is AB by Q, we have proved here. AB by PQ is already BC by QR. It means all the three ratios are equal. CM by RN, AB by PQ, BC by PR. But AB you can write twice of BM, twice of QR. So now this you are getting for this small triangle. Which small triangle? You are getting this triangle and you are getting this triangle. What is this? It is given BMC. So that is CMB and you are getting the RNQ. Because all the three sides are in the same ratio. So by triple S similarity, triangles are similar. This part you have two options. One by this method, what is given in the book also. Another by first method also you can, SAS you can adopt. At the place of 2BM you have written. So BM upon QN. BM is here. There I have written AM. Here you see that 2AM. So same thing you replace by other part, you can get this. Now exercise 6.3. We will get exercise 6.3, question number 1 is given. Exercise 6.3. You see the figures and then write the pair of triangles symbolic form. Similar or not? First of all here, first part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part and the sixth part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 given. Here you see first part. First part has all the angles A equal to P, so by triple A it is similar. Like this symbolic form I have written. Second part 2 by 4, 3 by 6, but it is not. It is also 2.5 upon 5. You are getting 1 by 2. So all the three ratios are equal. So it is by triple S, triangle ABC similar to, but AB is related with QR and BC is related with RP. So QRP. Naming is very important. You can't write PQR. Then third part you see. Third part has given LMP and DEF. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, but LM upon EF is not getting 1 by 2, so it is not similar because you can't get SSS or SAS. Fourth part, very simple. In the fourth part, angle M is equal to angle Q. 2.5 and 5 has relation 1 by 2. 5 and 10 has relation 1 by 2. So by SAS similarity, triangle LMN. LMN you have written. So LM is related with QR. So R you will write RQP. Naming is very important. And then you will see here fifth part has ratios are equal, 2.5 and 5 giving you 1/2, 3/6 1/2, but angle B, included angle, is not equal. It is given B here, E and B must be equal, not A. That's why it is not similar. Sixth part has given in triangle DEF, you are seeing, but ASPT you apply because QR, angle B is equal to, Q is equal to E. E is equal to 30. First of all ASPT you apply, you are getting it is 30 degree. Now 80 and 30 is given. E is equal to Q and F is equal to R by 30 degree. So triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR by double A. By double A similarity. Now question number 2 you see. In the question number 2 it is given triangle ODC similar to OBA, but it is not given lines parallel. Two angles are given, you want to get these three angles. What are these three angles? You want to get angle DOC. DOC means this angle, DCO means this angle, and OAB means this angle. This you want. First of all, this by linear pair, 55 degree. You are getting 55 degree, then in DOC, in triangle DOC, 55 degree, ASPT in triangle DOC triangle, you will apply ASPT, you get DCO, which is again 55 degree. If it is 55 degree, then because of triangle similar, ODC similar to OBA means C is equal to A. Last alphabet is equal to alphabet A, and C you are getting 55, then A will be also 55 by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. And that's all for today. You have finished example two questions of 6.3 also. Next lecture I will explain the rest part. Thanks.